Hi guys, welcome to my channel, IT for you. This video tutorial is how to install Windows 7 using Hyper-V. Assumption. This video assumed you have already created a virtual machine in Hyper-V and loaded the Windows 7 image file. If not, please do so now. You can watch my video on how to create a virtual machine in Hyper-V in the description below. Click the Start button to start the virtual machine. Windows installation will now start. The first thing to do is set up the language and time settings. For this video, we will select English as the language and English, United States for the time and currency format. Then US as the keyboard method. Click the Next button. Click Install Now button. The setup will now start. In the license window, browse down to read the terms and click I accept the license terms button. In the installation type window, select the Custom, Advanced option. Next, in Where do you want to install Windows? Select the available disk and click the Drive Options, Advanced link below. Click the New Link button below and enter the disk space size you want. The new partitions will now be shown. Click the Next button to proceed. The installing Windows is now displaying the status of the installation. Just wait for the entire process to finish itself. This might take a few minutes and the system will restart. You can click the Restart button to speed up the sequence. The next window might show the press any key to boot from CD or DVD option. Do not do anything and just let it continue with the installation process. The Windows 7 logo startup is now starting. Stand by while Windows continue with the setup. The services setup is now starting and completing the installation. Wait for the completing installation setup. This will take a few minutes again. Setup process will mainly depend on how fast your hardware is. At this point, I fast-forwarded the video so you won't have to wait too long. Setup will restart again and just let it continue without doing anything. After restart, you can again see the starting Windows display. Setup is almost done. In this window, enter the username you want. Enter or edit the computer name in the next form. Click the Next button. In the Setup Password window, you can enter a password for your account. Retype the same password in the next field and type your hint at the bottom field. For this video, we won't enter a password and just click the Next button. The next window will prompt you to enter your product key. Type it now if you have one and select the automatically activate Windows when I'm online checkbox. For this video tutorial, we will just leave it blank and uncheck the automatically activate Windows when I'm online. Click the next button. The next setup window displays updates for your computer. Click the Use Recommended Settings option. In the time and date settings, select your correct time zone in the drop-down box, then adjust for your date and time. Click the next button. Windows is now finalizing settings. The welcome and preparing desktop is now displaying and setup will be done in a few seconds. And now we're done. You can now start using your new Windows 7 machine. Thanks for watching. Please watch the succeeding videos in my channel, IT for You. Please click the like button and subscribe.